it's Charlotte. In today's video, we are going to do like a summer closet video slash me putting away all of my winter clothes every 2 seasons. So like fall and winter and spring and summer. I put out a bunch of my clothes that I had in my closet and I put them in like, you'll see, like bags because I won't be wearing them for that season, and then I bring out my new clothes. So it's kind of a fun way to renew your wardrobe because then it's like every half a year you re-find all these clothes that you love, and also just it helps me keep tidy. And since I live in a small home and don't have lots of room, it's hard to put all of my clothes in my drawers and that's it. They would literally be stuffed so full. They're already full, especially for the winter stuff because it's sweaters. So packing it away just works really, really good for me. And I kind of wanted to show you guys what I do every half a year to renew my wardrobe and put away the clothes that I used for the winter time and bring out those shorts and summer clothes. So basically I'm just going to, here, let me move it for you. That is like my closet back there. So I'll open it and show you guys. I have a bunch of my clothes hanging. As you can see, it looks like a mess, by the way. Like I put my mess in the closet because no one sees that. It's not too bad, but there's a lot of stuff, as you guys can see. We don't have a huge home and we don't have a basement, so that does make it hard, but this works good. So, and then you can see underneath, I have these two like laundry baskets. I'll bring them out since I need to. Anyways, and I have 2 of them. This one is the first one. And this one, I'm not sure I got it. It's cute. I've had it since I was like a kid. In here and in here. Oh my God, it's heavy. And then also, I'm not gonna destroy this yet, but in here, that is another like laundry basket. And in that one, I have more summer clothes. So basically all my clothes that I don't use for the season, I put them in here, here, and there. And then my remaining clothes go in my closet. By the way, there's 2 halves to the closet. You guys can see, like behind my guitar is another door. And then also here, let me show you. The rest goes here. So as you can see, some of them are already overly stuffed. And I have put out a couple of summer things because I wanted them for like Instagram photos. But yeah, so we'll go through this more in depth, but this is basically where I keep all the clothes. This is my workout stuff and my lingerie. And then this is like socks and like extra fancy pieces. And then those are just my stuffies and production stuff. But yeah, that's basically how it works out in my room. So we are going to go through all of this, put away a bunch of these sweaters. I am going to keep out some sweaters because on like cold summer nights here in Canada, the weather can be really bipolar. So it's good to still have some like warm stuff handy in case the weather takes a turn for the worst or if it's like a rainy day. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna go through all my stuff, and yeah, it's not gonna be like an hour-long video because this will probably take a couple hours, but I'm gonna like update you guys. So yeah, I thought it would be fun. Hopefully this will help teach you guys some stuff and give you some inspiration for tidying for your guys' own clothes and stuff. And I think that this way it'll be a realistic for you guys too, because I'm not someone who lives in like a huge home and has all these fancy decorative places to like hide my clothes and all this stuff. I just try to do something that is realistic. We live in a mobile home, so like it's not fancy. It's just what I do to keep my clothes all organized. That's the word I've been looking for, organized. To keep it really organized and tidy. And yeah, basically that's it. So let's get started in cleaning. Let's do it, guys. And as I said, yeah, there's so many clothes that I forget about, and then I see them again and it's just like so inspirational because I'm like, yes honey, I forgot about all these amazing clothes. It makes me want to dress up instead of just do my depressed mode and just wear sweats every day. Also, this outfit is just like lazy today. Outfit of the day, lazy as hell, but I just wanted to wear something still kind of cute but still comfortable because I didn't want to wear a skirt and like dress up just for putting away clothes. Okay, let's get started. I'm sorry. Well, I'm going through the clothes. I would have it on right now, but I don't want my video to get demonetized. But literally, I am obsessed with Charlie Puth's new album, Voice Notes. It just came out, and I've been jamming to it, and I was kind of procrastinating making this video because I knew, well, I'm filming, I can't have it on in the background or else, yeah, my video will get demonetized. But literally, guys, you know I love Charlie Puth. I've talked about him in another video, and I am jamming so hard to his album. He's such a talented writer and producer. He's like absolute inspo for me. Okay, so I do have some extra things in here, just like a couple bags and stuff, and like this is, I think, to carry my studio light. I just put some extra stuff in there as well to keep it out of the way. I also have this here, which this is a bag full of bags. I love it. This is also kind of like studio office haul. This is like my office, by the way. So that's not really clothes related, but it's kind of similar how I like to have bags to keep things tidy and to put other bags in. Okay, so these are some things, and I kind of sectioned them off. I believe these two are clothes that were hanging, and then that one is ones that were in my dresser. So I will show you guys. These are some dresses that I had hanging. This one I actually got from a thrift store, and I don't wear it. I really should, but literally I don't think I've worn it like once in a photo. I need to. I'm so bad at that. This summer I want to like dress up even if I'm just chilling at home and doing boring stuff. This is another cute top. This is from American Apparel when they were still open. I guess there's no more clothes in here. Oops. Well, I tricked you guys then. This one was only half full of clothes. This laundry basket I got from IKEA. So I have some shoes in here, as you can see as well. I love these. You guys got them for me off my wish list. In the winter, I don't need them because they would just get destroyed with snow and water. So these actually I will wear in the summer. I'm excited to. Thank you guys for the gifts off my wish list. You're always so sweet. I love them. And yeah, my wish list is also always in my description of my YouTube videos if you guys want to see. I was looking for this. Okay, I'm glad I found it. Yes, so bathing suits, I put them in my like little cubicles over there, if you guys can see. Yeah, this is also a dress that I got as well. Honestly, it doesn't fit me great. I might put this on Depop. I don't look good in V-necks because I have very small area here. Oh, my Depop is same as my Instagram, aka my name, Charlotte Winslow. Okay, here is another cute dress, one that I'm keeping. This I got from American Apparel. I have similar, well, the exact same one. Oh, actually it's from Forever 21, but they copied American Apparel style. I have the white one from American Apparel, but I love pink, and I saw this and it was like $20, so I got it because I love that style and I love pink. This I think I got at a thrift store, but it was originally from Forever 21. I don't know if I want this still. I'm gonna put it in the Depop chair. This I got from Victoria's Secret, and this is when I was about 30 pounds heavier. And I had a bit more up here than I do now, and it's meant for like a C cup. I've never been a C cup, and I never will be until I have kids one day, and even then, I don't know if they'll balloon up that much. So I've been debating depopping this too. My mom told me to keep it because it's cute, but honestly guys, this is huge. Okay, so that's the first stuff. We're gonna toss this to the side. Flop. And now we are getting a pile of stuff on the ground. Let me show you. There is the stuff I'm hanging. This is stuff that I'll probably be putting in my drawers. This is extra stuff like the bathing suits. Oh, I look so unorganized right now. I hate it. I think that I am going to take this, and what we are going to do now is put away some sweaters into here. So I'm gonna do that off camera, I think, and then I'm gonna show you guys the sweaters that I did keep. So I'm just gonna go crazy now, go through this stuff, and then we will move on to that, and I'll show you guys the other stuff. All right guys, so I just finished going through my closet, and I'm gonna show you guys the aftermath. So this is what I am keeping in for spring. It still seems full, but trust me, those are filled with clothes that were in there. So you can only imagine how stuffed it truly was. I'm probably gonna have to put some of that in there because it's not all gonna fit. Oh, and here's a shirt I need to pick up. I'm probably gonna have to put some of that stuff in there. Now I'm gonna go through, add that stuff in there, and then take that stuff out and put it in there. Basically, that is the to-do list, and then also, of course, go through my dresser. Also wanted to say, okay guys, please, if you are folding clothes, if you're going on a trip, or like me, you just want to keep your space organized, this is how you fold clothes. So my sister taught me this. You guys, probably a lot of you already know. I didn't know though. You fold it in, and then you roll it very tight. It's easier to do this against the ground. Roll it very tight and stack it. So this saves a lot of space, and this is what I'm doing, as you guys can see, with all my clothes here. It's all rolled like that because you save space. So yes, that's what you do, guys. My room is literally a trash bin right now. Rip to my room. Okay guys, this is the situation so far. Here we've got jackets, swim stuff for over top of swimwear, skirts, then my one pair of shorts, this set, skirts, like long skirts, regular skirts, romper with dresses, and then more dresses, jeans, cropped hoodies, regular hoodies, and then just like excess stuff, pants, and then overalls. So that's what we have so far. Now time to move on to this stuff. Hey guys, so I just finished putting all of my stuff in my closet. It's done. And now I put some of this stuff in here that I'm gonna be putting away. And I put the other two laundry baskets in there. So now what I'm going to do is go to my drawers, which I think we're gonna go through a bit together. And I'm gonna just take anything that is winter related or that I don't want anymore. So guys, this is my top drawer, and I just want to talk about it a bit with you guys. This drawer is like all of my t-shirts and stuff, but a lot of them are kind of like lazy day t-shirts and aren't really like fun fashion items. And I've just found the past year, well, at least in the winter time, it's hard with depression and stuff for me to feel motivated to dress in so many of my nice outfits, and I really want to because I always used to love fashion. I still do, I just don't feel motivated to. So there's a lot of shirts in here which I love. They're like band shirts, like the 1975 and all that great stuff, and they're really comfortable, but they don't really channel my fashion sense. And I feel like I just run to them because they're comfy, lazy clothes. And even though I work from home, I still want to put on a nice aura every day and wear things that make me feel beautiful and feel comfortable. So I think what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take away a lot of my comfy clothes that I love. Like the 1975 shirt. I have like 3 of these, so I'm going to keep one of them. So I'm going to put away some of that stuff just for the summertime so that maybe it'll motivate me to wear more fashionable clothing, because I have lots of fashionable clothing that's still comfortable. It's just like, I don't know, the depression and the negativity just like makes me want to wear clothes that are basic. I don't know, it's weird. It's like I'm trying to bring my own self down. But yeah, so that's a big thing that I want to do today, and I just want to talk to you guys about that because I feel like putting away those clothes is kind of like starting fresh too, and kind of putting away all those negative emotions that are attached to the clothes too, which it's the 1975, you know, like they're not a bad thing, but it's just I wear those clothes when I'm feeling lazy and feeling not myself. So yeah, we're gonna put those away and we're gonna start new, start fresh, and fashionable Charlotte hopefully will be this summer. Otherwise, I'm just gonna go through this. You can see this one is full, and like most of it is just like really comfortable shirts I don't need. I'm just gonna put them away in this hamper with the rest of the stuff and deem it as my winter clothes. Hey guys, so I'm pretty much all done my cleanup and put out all my summer stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys basically what's gone down. If I move out of the way, you can see there's still some clothes there. These clothes in the corner here are clothes that did not fit in my 2 laundry baskets and then the laundry hamper. So I need to find a new space for those because I guess, you know, sweaters are so bulky, and I got a lot of sweaters. Oh, I got a lot of sweaters over the winter time, more than I had before, so I'm gonna need more space for them. There is a bit more space in my closet here, so I might just hang them up at the very back. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I'm basically done. So I'll show you guys my drawers. Also, this is a big pile of stuff I'm gonna put on Depop. So get ready, because there's tons. So basically these are my drawers. Up here is like summer shirts, summer tank tops, all this kind of stuff. Second one has the remainder of my summer shirts, and then all of my summer shorts that I'm not hanging, that aren't like delicate fabric. And this is all of my summer skirts. So yeah, I have a lot of skirts. Too many. I need to wear them. And then here, bottom drawer, is like all of my sleeping pants, nighties, and then this is like my swim shirt I showed you before, and a bunch of just sleeping shirts. So that's like lazy drawer. And then here's Bijou. No biting. Oh my gosh. Good girl, good girl. And then the drawers I went through is this. So this is all my work. Bijou. She wants to be the center of attention. My workout shirts, my leggings. So I took some leggings out because I don't wear leggings. So yes, those are the drawers. And then here is all of my stuff that's being hanged. So yeah, I showed you guys before, lots of dresses, lots of skirts, lots of shirts, and then I also have like some jeans and stuff here. Yeah, and these are extremely full with clothes. So that basically concludes my summer clothing. And then yeah, the stuff that I still need to put away. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, which was kind of like, I don't know what to name this yet. I guess like summer closet organization, or like, I don't know. Whatever it is a conglomerate of like tips for cleaning out your old season's wardrobe and putting in your new one, plus giving a sneak peek that I'm gonna be putting stuff on Depop. So hopefully this video will be able to help some of you guys. As I said, my family lives in a small home, so we don't have lots of space, and for me this is just a realistic way to put away my stuff while still keeping my space as tidy and organized as can be. I'm by no means interior designer or any of that. This is just the tips that I use, and hopefully they will help you guys. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you next one, and I really love you guys, and I'm happy now that all of my winter clothes are gone, and now I can just wear my new summer clothes and enjoy them and appreciate them again. Okay guys, see you later. Bye.